Hey, it's Nicola, and today we're going to be talking about some of the common permissions. As you can see, as a Jira administrator, you should know all of these permissions when it comes to the projects. It's really important to know this. So when it comes to the project's permission, the very first one that we have is the add comments permission. And as you can see, it is being assigned for any logged in user in here. So for this issue, for example, I can click on this, I can comment on this if I want, and basically that's it. But what happens if I actually want to change this? So I want to edit the permissions here, and I remove here, and instead, yeah, and now I have like this permission. Now you see what happens. You had that dialogue where you could actually text field where you could actually really add your comment, but it's gone now. You cannot add comment at all. So that is what this permission does. So when I go here, go back, and I say letter from the member, or for the any logged in user, as you can see, it is here. The another thing that is done in here, so this is adding the comments to the software projects and also adding the internal notes within your service management projects. So basically the internal notes are those notes that can be visible by the users that you define for your specific project role to be. So let's say that you only want your administrators to be able to see the comment that you actually have made, but not anyone else. You can actually create the internal note. Almost in the similar way, you can say members only. And I can click on save here. Now what is it saying in here? It's basically having this lock in here saying member, and I can copy link to this of this comment, and the person who is who is in the project role of the member can actually see this comment in here, and that is going to be exactly like that because I have defined this to be the member role. So you have the second permission is going to be delete all of the comments, and this is self-explanatory. So it's saying if I actually made a comment and someone who has a permission for this, they can come to my comment, and if they actually see that it's not really relevant to the ticket, they can delete it. So this is recommended for the administrators to actually have this kind of a permission, because you don't want to basically allow anyone to delete all of the comments in here, because your comments are actually are the best to be there, so you can actually track the whole historic changes that were actually made within the specific issue that was made. Okay, the third permission in here is delete on comments, and you guessed it right. So basically, you as a user, you can delete your own comments. Okay, so this should be as it is. So if it's saying any logged in user, they're supposed to delete their own projects that they have actually made. This is something that is really relevant, because if you found some kind of an error or something was not really in the place, you can actually really delete that comment. But it's not like a best practice to delete the comments, so it's a good idea to have the comments, but just to emphasize on that comment that basically you made a mistake. There is also this option here. So what happens is when I go here as a user, so I can delete my own comments, as you can see. So I can delete my own comments, but in here it's saying delete me, and I can delete this because I don't have the delete all comments. So this is from the another user and also from the automation for Jira. This is, even though this is not like the real user, this is the user that is being used like for the creation of the automation rules. I cannot really delete them. Can I add emojis? Yes, I can. So I can do that. But other than that, I cannot really do this. But can I copy the link? Yes, I can. But what happens? So I can go here, and it's gonna refer to this specific comment, but I cannot delete that specific comment. Now there is no point in changing this because you want to keep this. Now edit all comments. So these are for the administrators, right? You saw it that basically I'm going to say for this one delete me, and I'm going to go for this issue right here, and as you can see I have this option right here to delete me. And as you can see for the automation for Jira, I can also go ahead and I can delete this comment, and I can also go ahead and I can delete this comment as well. And as you can see, this comment is also gone. It's really simple. The permissions are actually really straightforward. There's nothing like really something that that is like a rocket science or something like that. Edit our comments, and it's being set for the any logged in user. Yeah, it should be like that, because I'm gonna say edit this. Alright, so I can go, I can edit, and I can edit this changed. Alright, so I have edited everything that was going on, and if I go for the history, it's going to say, yeah, the comment has been deleted and everything like that, which is true. And it's saying like I have added a comment, but it's saying here edit has been changed, and as you can see from here, it's being edited, and it's also saying by whom it was edited. So you can see all of the history that was actually being made within this specific issue. And this also is not only for the comments when the comment has been added and the content of this comment. No, there is like the whole change for the assignees. There is also the change for the parent. So all of these things I can actually see within that history tab. Edit on comments, yeah, there should be there as well. So not really a lot of changes that you actually need to make for the comments. You just need to make sure that when it comes to deleting all of the comments and editing all of the comments, needs to be considered to which roles this needs to be assigned to. Doesn't only have to be administrator. Let's say it could also be for the stakeholders or someone like that. But this is something that needs to be, determined. But by default, it usually stays on the administrator, and there are no problems with that. So this was all about the comment permissions, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and that is it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.